If you do clipping on Whop, you've probably noticed that a lot of videos get rejected even after getting millions of views. The reason isn't the content or the views, it's the analytics. Most campaigns require Tier 1 traffic, especially from the United States. Admins check your traffic source, audience, countries, and insights through screen recordings. If your traffic isn't Tier 1, your clips get rejected instantly. That's why I created an insight editor software for Instagram and TikTok. With this tool, you can customize your analytics dashboard, including traffic sources, audience, countries, engagement, views, real insights, and more. You can even generate realistic screen recordings of your analytics so everything looks clean, professional, and believable to admins. In this video, I'll show you the full step-by-step breakdown of how the system works, how to edit your insights, customize traffic sources, and create professional-looking analytics recordings. If you want your clips to look more optimized for Tier 1 campaigns, make sure you watch this video until the end. So before starting this video, let me tell you who I am. My name is insghiteditor, and I make videos related to Whop clipping. I've been clipping on Whop for the last 1.5 years, and I've earned over $100,000 from it. More than half of that income came from botting strategies and fake views methods. But just increasing views is not enough. You also need to understand traffic sources, Tier 1 audience targeting, and analytics optimization. Basically, I first run targeted botting on videos, then optimize the analytics, and after that, I get my clips approved in campaigns. Because admins don't just check views anymore, they check audience, countries, traffic sources, engagement, and analytics details. Without the right process and knowledge, most people just waste money and never get proper results from clipping. Now obviously, I can't explain the full botting process in this video because that's a separate detailed topic. But if you want to learn everything step by step, you can message me directly on Telegram. The Telegram link is available in my YouTube channel's About section and also in this video's description. So now, without wasting time, let's start the full breakdown of the Insight Editor and jump straight to the phone screen. Okay guys, so in today's video going to show you step by step how you can use the Instagram Insight Editor app. If you are using this application for the first time, then make sure to watch this video till the end because I'm going to explain every single thing in detail, like how to clone an account, how to edit insights, how to change graphs, how to edit audience traffic, how to customize the professional dashboard, and how to edit every element inside the profile. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, we will open the Instagram Insight Editor application on our phone. As soon as you open the app, you will see a home screen interface like this. And guys, you can see that the interface is designed exactly like the real Instagram app. The entire UI, profile section, Reels section, and Insights section give a real Instagram feel. Now after this, you will see an Instagram logo option at the top. Simply click on that option. As soon as you click it, a pop-up window will appear where you will get the option to enter a username. Now many people get confused about which username they need to enter. So let me explain it to you in a simple way. Here, you have to enter the username of the Instagram account where you upload your clips or campaign videos. Meaning, if you joined a campaign and uploaded those campaign clips on your real Instagram account, then you need to enter the username of that same account here. For example, I'm opening my real Instagram account right now. Now, you can see that I upload clips on this account. Let's say I want to edit the real insights of this account. So first, I will copy the username of my real Instagram account. After that, we will come back to the Instagram Insight Editor app, and here, we will paste the username into the username box. Now after pasting the username, you will see a clone option below. Simply click on the clone button. As soon as you click on clone, the app will start processing. It will take a few seconds because the app is fetching your account data. After that, all your reels and profile information will appear here. Now, you can see that my complete Instagram account has been loaded successfully. Now, we will click on the profile icon below. Here, you can see that the same videos from my real Instagram account are also visible here. Along with that, the Instagram bio, display picture, professional dashboard, and all the other elements are exactly the same. This means the entire data matches your real Instagram account. Now basically, what we are going to do here is make some edits so everything looks natural and organic. Now, we will click on any reel whose insights we want to edit. After clicking on the reel, you will see a View Insights option. Simply click on it. As soon as you click on View Insights, the complete insights section of that reel will open. And guys, Instagram recently updated its insight interface. Earlier, the entire analytics section used to appear on a single page, but now Instagram has divided it into different sections like Overview, Engagement, and Audience. So according to that update, we also updated this app system so it looks exactly like the real Instagram interface. Now, the question is, how do we edit the insights? First of all, you will see the real insight logo on the top left side. You have to click on that logo. As soon as you click it, edit mode will turn on. After that, you can click on anything you want to edit, like views, likes, comments, shares, engagement, everything. For example, if I click on views, it becomes editable. If I click on likes, then likes also become editable. Now you can enter any number or data you want. After editing, simply click on Done or Save Changes. After that, all your edited data will be saved. Now comes the most important part, graph editing. A lot of people ask how to edit graphs. So guys, first make sure edit mode is turned on, then simply tap once on the graph. Now the graph will also activate in edit mode. After that, you will see a draft option. Turn that option on. Now you can customize the graph according to your preference. But remember one thing, the graph should always look natural and organic. It should not look fake or unrealistic. So always balance your graph edits properly. Now comes the most important section, audience traffic, because this is what most people focus on. So now, we will go into the audience section. Here, you will see the countries option. This section shows from which countries your traffic is coming. For example, now it is showing India with a percentage. Now, if we want to edit it, first make sure edit mode is enabled, then click on India, and from here, you can change it to the United States or any country you want. You can also edit the traffic percentage, but again, make sure it looks natural and organic. Now, we are going to edit the professional dashboard. For this, simply press and hold the professional dashboard for 2 seconds. After that, the edit option will open. Now here you can edit any numbers you want, like views, reach, interactions, everything. And if you want to edit the internal sections, then open the professional dashboard, then click on the edit option on the top left side. After that, the entire dashboard will enter edit mode. Now you can customize every single element. Now, let's talk about profile editing. The followers, following, posts, username, bio, and links you see here are synced directly from your real Instagram account. But if you want, you can also edit them. For that, simply long press the edit profile option. After that, edit mode will turn on. Now you can edit followers, following, username, name, bio, links, and every other element. And after editing, simply click on Done. Now, let me show you another amazing feature. If your phone is using dark mode or light mode, then you can also change the app theme. For that, press and hold the search icon for 2 seconds. After that, the app theme will switch automatically. If it is currently white, it will turn black. And if it is black, it will turn white. So guys, this was the complete breakdown of how to use and edit the Instagram Insight Editor app. If you liked this video, then make sure to like the video, and if you want me to make the next video about the TikTok Insight Editor, then comment below and let me know. Now the question is, where can you get this app? If you want to purchase this app, you can message me on Telegram. You will find the Telegram link in the video description and in the About section of my channel. The price changes from time to time, so for the latest price, directly message me on Telegram. Now if you purchase this app, first you will receive the APK file. You need to download that APK. After downloading it, the interface will look something like this. After that, we will provide you with an access key. You simply need to paste that key on the app's home screen, and once you paste the key, your app will be activated. And guys, remember one thing: only having the APK file is not enough. Without the access key, the app will not work. So guys, this was the complete process of the Instagram Insight Editor. If you have any doubts, questions, or need support regarding any feature or element, then you can message me on Telegram. See you in the next video. Well then, bye guys, take care.